5 things you should know about Amex Platinum card. For example, Amex Platinum rewards. What credit score is needed? Do the rewards offset the annual fee? Does it have more lounge access than its competitors? Can you add authorized users? So let's go. What credit score is needed? You'll need good to excellent credit to qualify for the higher your credit score, the more likely you are to become eligible for the card. Do the rewards offset the annual fee? That depends. If you're going to take advantage of some of the statement credits available and you plan on spending at least a few $1,000s per year on flights and hotels, it's likely that the rewards will more than offset the annual fee. Does it have more lounge access than its competitors? You'll have access to more than 1,400 airport lounges in 140 countries. These are easily one of the best credit cards for lounge access. But different cards may have other features, such as unlimited access or the option to bring guests for no extra charge. Can you add authorized users? You can add authorized users to your account, but you won't get additional perks for adding someone else. For example, you'll still only be able to get the TSA PreCheck credit or the digital entertainment credit for one person, not both you and an authorized user. Amex Platinum rewards. 1. Earn 5x points on hotels and flights booked through American Express Travel. 2. $200 hotel credit each year when you use American Express Travel. All other purchases earn 1x points. 3. $200 airline fee credit per year. 4. Access to 1,400 airport lounges in 650 different cities throughout the world. 5. $300 statement credit for an Equinox subscription or membership. Enrollment required. 6. $200 to use in Uber Cash for rides with Uber or Uber Eats. 7. $155 in statement credit when you get a Walmart membership. 8. Digital entertainment credit from eligible purchases, up to $240 a year. 9. $50 semi-annual statement credit when you shop at Saks Fifth Avenue. Enrollment required. 10. Pay with the points you've earned for upcoming travel or transfer points at one of a dozen airline and hotel partners. 11. Purchase protection of up to $10,000 each instance and up to $50,000 each calendar year. 12. Trip cancellation and interruption insurance will reimburse you the cost of non-refundable expenses. 13. Get Gold Elite status at Marriott Bonvoy and Hilton Honors Gold status by becoming a cardholder. 14. Redeem points for different amounts based on what you're getting. For instance, points are worth 1 cent when you book flights and 0.7 cents when you redeem for prepaid hotels and rental cars.